In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Evernote account. Whether you found a new productivity tool or just need a break from digital note-taking, closing your Evernote account is a straightforward process. Let's walk through it step by step, ensuring you know exactly what to do. To begin, you'll want to navigate to Evernote Web. This requires you to open a web browser and type in the Evernote website URL. Once there, use your account credentials to log in. This means entering the email address and password associated with your Evernote account. If you happen to have any trouble accessing your account, make sure to check that you've entered the right email and password. Sometimes, simple typos can be the culprit. Once logged in, you're ready to move forward. Now that you're inside your account, you need to go to your account settings. You can typically find this option in your profile menu, often represented by your name or avatar at the top corner of the screen. After selecting Account Settings, look for Account Status in the menu on the left side of your screen. This section contains information and options related to your account's status and settings. The next step is crucial. You'll see an option that says Close your Evernote account. Clicking on this link indicates that you're initiating the process to permanently close and delete your account from Evernote. It's a good time to ensure you have backed up any important notes or information, as proceeding will mean losing access to everything stored in your account. Next, you will be prompted to check an acknowledgement box. This is Evernote's way of making sure that you understand the ramifications of closing your account, such as losing access to your notes and any associated data. Read through the information, and once you've understood the implications, check the box to acknowledge that you've read and agreed to their terms. After checking the acknowledgement box, click the Continue button. You will then need to re-enter your password. This extra step is a security measure to confirm that it is indeed you, the account holder, who is proceeding with the closure. Enter your password carefully, ensuring there are no mistakes. Finally, click on Close Account to confirm your decision. This final click seals the deal, and your Evernote account will be closed. Remember, this is an irreversible step, and all your stored notes will be deleted. So double-check that this is truly your intent. And there you have it. With these steps, you can successfully cancel your Evernote account. If you ever need to revisit digital note-taking, you can always create a new account or explore other platforms. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.